right, friends, we are back today and we are still talking about text features. But today we're going to dig a little bit deeper into how the author or how the text features can help us as a reader. So we take the information that the author provides us and we try and see how it can help us take in more information or learn more about the topic that we are discussing. So we're going to revisit one of the posters that we looked at yesterday. And the first thing that I noticed, I don't know about you guys, but I always focus in on the title because I know the title tells me what it's going to be about. So this one is called Monsoons. Has anybody heard of a monsoon before? Well, if you haven't, one of the best ways to find the answer is to keep reading. So I'm going to go ahead and keep reading so it tells me maybe what monsoons might be. Monsoons are very powerful winds that bring heavy rains. Monsoons can cause flooding and landslides. Entire hillsides can wash away. Flooding near riverbanks can destroy crops. This is not just a little bit of Texas rain. This is serious stuff. Every year, starting in June, monsoons bring 4 months of these heavy rains to the country of India. So I know that this is mostly about, what is it talking about? It's talking about monsoons. And it told me what the monsoons were. It told me what the monsoons do. And it also told me it's focusing on the country of India. So as a reader, I want to make sure that I pay attention to everything that the author gives me. And here, the author gives me 2 different text features. So the first one that I see is a graph. And then the second one that I see, hopefully you notice, it's a map. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one and take a look at our map. So again, my graph. So every graph will have a title, and this one is rainfall in inches in India during monsoons. And then there's also labels down the side and down here. So if you look, I've got Mumbai, Kolkata, and New Delhi. So it looks like they're comparing these 3, and then it says from August, and then this was June, July, and August. So the rainfall in inches in India during monsoons. So Mumbai, when do they get their most rain? When do they get the biggest amount of rain? Well, if I look at my graph, I can tell over here, this is the inches of rain, and Mumbai is in blue. So I would say that Mumbai gets the most rain in August because it looks like it's about 27, 28 inches. And then June, July, and September, they just get over 20 inches. And then they also do the same for Kolkata and for New Delhi. So where would you not want to live in India if you didn't like rain? Probably Mumbai. It looks like they get the most rain during the monsoons. Now I also have a map. Why do you think the author would include the map for this poster of monsoons? What do you think this map is showing me? So if I go back to my story, the text told me that the heavy rains for 4 months bring heavy rains to the country of India. So this is actually a map showing me India, and India is in South Asia. So I see China over here, and then this would be India. And then I have several labels. So the capital right here with the star is New Delhi. So again, I think that they probably just gave me the map so that I would have an idea of where India might be if I'm not familiar with my world map. So I definitely like how they focused in on this area so that I might be able to tell. And if I wanted to, I could go look for Mumbai, I could look for Kolkata, and I could look for New Delhi. So I see New Delhi. Do you see Kolkata? Here's Kolkata. So we can tell the difference and how far apart they are as well. So that gives us an idea. So again, the author gives us a lot of information other than just the words. We just have to make sure that we're paying attention to it all.